Every journey begins with a dream to achieve more, to become more, and to choose a path that shapes your future. Because the right environment doesn't just educate you, it transforms you. It inspires ideas, builds confidence, and creates innovators who are ready for tomorrow. Welcome to Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, a place where knowledge meets innovation and ambition meets opportunity. Rooted in a remarkable legacy of 119 years of educational excellence. As a part of Nutan Maharashtra Vidya Prasarak Mandal, NMIET continues to shape future-ready professionals and responsible leaders. Strengthened by the academic excellence and industry connect of Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, the institute stands on a foundation of trust, quality, innovation and excellence. At NMIET, education is designed for the future across disciplines, offering diverse programs in engineering and technology, management studies, computer application, and vocational education. Each program is carefully designed to develop strong fundamentals, critical thinking, innovation, and industry-ready competencies. Learning here goes beyond classrooms. With highly qualified, experienced, and research-oriented faculty members, students are encouraged to question, explore, innovate, and excel. From academic rigor to experiential learning, every learner is empowered to solve real-world challenges and create meaningful impact. Innovation is not taught, it is experienced. Through advanced laboratories, project-based learning, innovation platforms, and technical exposure, students gain hands-on experience across emerging domains. NMIET nurtures an entrepreneurial mindset through innovation, incubation, and startup support ecosystems that transforms ideas into impact. A vibrant campus creates the perfect environment for the holistic development. From academics and technology to lifestyle and personal growth, everything is designed to enhance the student experience. Powered by modern infrastructure and digital technologies, NMIET is proud to be an Intel AI-enabled campus. Learning today requires a global perspective. Through national and international collaborations, academic partnerships, industry interactions, expert sessions, and exchange opportunities, students gain exposure that prepares them for a rapidly evolving world. Bridging the gap between education and industry, through internships, industrial visits, certification programs, value-added courses, and expert mentoring, students develop practical skills that employers value. At NMIET, careers are not just planned, they are built. With the strength of the PCET centralized placement cell, students receive structured training, career guidance, and industry-aligned opportunities. Leading organizations continue to trust the talent nurtured here, creating successful careers across diverse industries. Life at NMIET is vibrant, enriching, and transformative. From technical competitions and innovation challenges to cultural celebrations, sports, and leadership opportunities, students experience a journey that builds confidence, creativity, and character. This is where your journey begins. A journey of knowledge, innovation, growth, and success. A place where dreams find direction and aspirations become achievements. Choose NMIET, where knowledge transforms into success and innovators are created for the future.